Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Eucalyptus Pods is probably one of the most refreshing additions to your sinus care routine. These pods promise a soothing and invigorating experience, especially when used with the Navage nasal care system. In this video, we'll dive deep into what makes these pods stand out, exploring their benefits, how they work, and whether they live up to the hype. Number 5. Navage SaltPod Bundle, 90 SaltPods for nasal relief. Are you seeking quick congestion relief? These SaltPod capsules work with your existing nasal irrigation system. They help you breathe easier, sleep better, and feel healthier. Experience fast-acting relief with this sinus rinse. The SaltPods work with the nasal rinse system to remove dirt and congestion. You can get nasal relief in just 30 seconds naturally. These pods are scientifically formulated to minimize irritation. There's no measuring and no mess. Just pop one in, and the nasal cleaner does the rest. These capsules only work with Navage nose cleaner machines. It's important to use the right kind of water, such as distilled or sterile bottled water. Do not use tap water unless sterilized. Use these saline nasal rinse pods to breathe freely without drugs. It's recommended to use it twice daily for 2 weeks. Get quick congestion relief with this nasal cleaner. What we like? These SaltPods offer fast relief in just 30 seconds, perfect for those moments when you need to breathe easy quickly. It's easy to use with the Navage system, eliminating the mess and guesswork. If you're looking for a drug-free solution to nasal congestion, this is a great choice. What people say. The Navage system is easy to use. The Navage system works great. The Eucalyptus Pods are a nice addition. Number 4. Body Restore Eucalyptus Shower Steamers 15-pack. These aromatherapy shower steamers dissolve in your shower, releasing essential oils. They are perfect for deep relaxation and provide relief from daily stress. This set lasts longer than typical shower steamers. It is a must-have for anyone who wants to restore and relax naturally. It's ideal for self-care. Melt away the day's stress with these relaxing shower bombs. They are great for unwinding after a long day. This product is a great way to relax. Compact and convenient, these steamers are travel must-haves. They are perfect for college students or anyone needing relaxation on the go. It is easy to use. Surprise your loved ones with this perfect gift. It's ideal for Christmas, birthdays, or any special occasion. This is the ultimate choice for spa gifts. What we like? These shower steamers dissolve in your shower, releasing essential oils for a spa-like experience. They are designed to wash away stress and fatigue, perfect for unwinding after a long day. If you like a relaxing and convenient way to de-stress, consider this. What people say. Smells great and seems to help open sinuses. Each steamer lasts for one full shower, sometimes even longer if you keep it out of direct water, and they dissolve evenly without leaving a mess behind. They are a great addition to any shower. They are also helpful when congested and need to open things up. Number 3. Navage Nasal Rinse System Multi-User Bundle. Are you suffering from nasal congestion? This system provides relief in just half a minute. It uses powered suction to flush your nasal passages, offering drug-free and lasting relief. Experience the ease and comfort of nasal rinsing. Its lightweight design allows for easy one-handed use. It also comes with different nose pillow sizes and pre-packaged SaltPods for a mess-free experience. First, prime the device by filling the tank with distilled water and inserting a new SaltPod. Then, position your nostrils on the nose pillows. Finally, power the rinse with the touch of a button to flush your nasal passages. For a safe and comfortable rinse, always keep the SaltPod chamber closed until the cycle is complete. Opening it mid-rinse will activate a safety mechanism, stopping the device immediately. Simply fill with distilled water, add a SaltPod, and position the nose pillows for a firm seal. If you experience reduced suction, easily troubleshoot by checking the battery, lid, or pillow adjustment. Full assistance is available in the included guide or through customer support. What we like? This system uses powered suction for effective nasal rinsing, providing lasting relief. It's designed for easy one-handed use, making it convenient for daily use. If you are looking for a comprehensive nasal care solution that is easy to use and effective, this is a great choice. What people say. The Navage system is easy to use. I can breathe so much better. The pods are easy to insert. Number 2. Navage Custom Cleaning Kit. This is the Navage Custom Cleaning Kit, designed specifically for your Navage nose cleaner. It helps you keep it clean and working properly. With this kit, you can ensure the best performance. The kit includes 2 custom-designed scrubbers. These are made to reach those tricky spots in the mechanical module, nasal dock, and nose pillows. Using these ensures a thorough clean. The C-clip is another handy tool included. It keeps the drain valve open while you rinse the device. This makes the cleaning process much easier and more effective. The U-tube is designed to attach to the nasal dock. It allows water to flow freely through the nose cleaner. This helps you rinse it thoroughly, ensuring it's completely clean. To use, simply wet the scrubber with water and a drop of dish soap. Then, clean as directed. It's a simple process that keeps your Navage nose cleaner in top condition. What we like. This kit provides a deep clean for your Navage system, ensuring optimal performance. It includes custom-designed scrubbers to reach hard-to-clean areas. If you want to keep your Navage system in top condition and extend its lifespan, this is a must-have. What people say. Great item to help keep my Navage clean. Easy-to-use tools to keep our nasal flush machine clean and sanitized. Helps keep our machine clear of mold and clean. Would definitely recommend buying this. Easy to store, functions well and designed to clean every crevice. Best little cleaning device for nasal irrigation machine. Number 1. Navage Eucalyptus SaltPod Bundle. Are you looking for quick congestion relief? These Eucalyptus SaltPod capsules are designed to work with your existing nasal irrigation system. It helps soothe nasal passages, allowing you to breathe easier and sleep better. Experience fast-acting relief in just 30 seconds. This product works with the nasal rinse system to remove dirt and congestion. It's a natural way to find relief without the use of drugs. Unlike neti pots, these SaltPods are scientifically formulated to minimize irritation. There's no measuring or mess, just insert a SaltPod, and the nasal cleaner does the rest. These SaltPod capsules are designed for use only with Navage nose cleaner machines. It's important to use the correct type of water, such as distilled or sterile bottled water. Always follow the instructions for safe and effective use. Use these saline nasal rinse pods with your Navage nose cleaner to breathe freely without drugs. For best results, it's recommended to use it twice daily for 2 weeks. Enjoy quick congestion relief with this product. What we like. These Eucalyptus SaltPods offer the added benefit of eucalyptus for enhanced relief. They work quickly to soothe nasal passages, helping you breathe easier. If you like the refreshing scent of eucalyptus and need fast congestion relief, you should consider this. What people say. The eucalyptus scent is invigorating, and the relief is instant. These eucalyptus pods take it to the next level. It really clears you up. Eucalyptus leaves nasal passages feeling fresh longer than plain saline alone. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.